Welcome to my Hutong House. I recently moved and it's finally time for the Hutong House tour. When we first walk in, we walk into my little garden. As you can see, this is my little garden and it is the first time for Miguel and I to have a garden and we're very excited about it. We have space for our bikes, but the best part of it, we have garden beds and space to grow vegetables. And if you have seen our previous video, you saw that we had some tiny potato plants and now they have grown really big. And Miguel got super excited and he decided to also plant some corn seeds, which are doing really well right now. That is the little garden that we have, the first outdoor area because we have more. But before I can show you those, let's go inside. All right, now we're inside. When I step inside, I enter a little hallway. When you first walk in, we have our little bench, which I really like because it's an easy way to take off your shoes, put on your shoes. And it is in our little hallway, which I really like because this way you don't step into your living room right away when you first enter. Because I think that's always a little odd. But now we have a little hallway entrance. We also have some gardening tools and a couple of plants that we put here. And then here on the wall, we find our Paris posters that we bought like years ago, almost 10 years ago when we traveled there. You might have seen them before. The nails were actually already in the wall, which was quite convenient. So we just had to put them up and we didn't have to struggle to make sure they were going to be level because that's always a hard thing to do. And now they're just not leveled, but it looks cute. Here are the stairs. We're gonna go up soon, but first, the bathroom. And right next to the bathroom, we have our bookshelf. Let me show you the bathroom. It's very simple and it does the job. I do like the bathroom, even though it's small and just very simple, because it has a very cute vanity and a really nice sink. Yeah, nothing more to it. Next to the bathroom, we have our bedroom and office. So when you walk in, we have the bedroom, the area where we sleep, with our beautiful wall with a mural that Miguel painted. He actually surprised me with it. I didn't know he was going to do this. So that's really cool. Our lovely nightstands, and then our posters that we bought in North Korea, another cool and unique souvenir. This is our dresser for storage with some plants on top of it and another poster that we got in New York. As you can see, we like to collect posters when we travel as souvenirs. And then above me is a nice skylight which brings lots of light into this bedroom, which is nice. Otherwise it would just be a really dark room. Next to the dresser we have a really large wardrobe with a full-size mirror. Really nice because that is what was missing in our previous apartment, but now you can check out the look of the day. And then when we move on, we have a cat running around. This is pretty much Miguel's area, his desk, where he does his work, and his crafting station where he does all of his crafts. And then behind me, more plants, and this is Mr. Corny, our Hutong survivor. Let's leave through this door. We have two doors because originally these were actually two rooms. So you can see that we are looking out over the garden here. So we are now back in the hallway. Now let's go upstairs so I can show you our living room and kitchen. When you first walk up the stairs, we have another bathroom and a shower. Very luxurious because we've never had that before. But honestly, we don't need it. So we are now using it as a storage room and as a bathroom for the cats. Fancy cats. More plants on this side of me. And then here is the kitchen. Very simple, but I like it because it's open. We now have a fancy ice cube maker. Miguel loves it. More plants. Actually, this is a very cute shelf. I wanted to get a shelf like this where I could put some plants on because I had too many and there was not enough space to put them. We were not able to order it online or to find it in a shop, so Miguel just made one. He crafted this from the packaging from our nightstands. Okay, simple fridge with more souvenirs from our travel. Can't wait to travel again. Kitchen, very simple, but it does the job and it's very functional. We have more, created more space with these units that we bought for our previous house. And this is like my favorite area, coffee. And then recently we just bought these hanging basket things for plants. I have so many, guys, it's almost embarrassing, but not. And then here, technically this could be our dining area. We haven't really had dinner here because these days it's much nicer to be upstairs on the rooftop to have dinner. And more plants, yeah, everywhere behind me. Hey, sports. You want to be in the video too? The last area of the house is the living room area. This piece was here already. This is basically the only piece of furniture that we kept. If you saw the hey, whoa, catnip. Hey, somebody wants to play. Oh, getting feisty. If you all right, are we good, sports? Yeah, go downstairs. If you saw the previous videos about the house and the moving, you might have seen the mess that this place was. There was really nothing that we could keep. We only kept the fridge, the bed frame, the wardrobe, and then this one, and there's another one outside. So here we store our games, candles, and yes, plants. And then this is our outdoor area. And this is our second outdoor area, our little balcony, table, and here underneath the second storage unit that we kept. It's full with things that I can use for my plants and gardening. And here we have some herbs, mint and basil's growing, and a beautiful flower. I really like this one. And this plate is really nice because we can use it for laundry, and if we want to have a quick coffee in the morning, we can just sit here. But if we want to have a slow coffee, then we go upstairs. So the rooftop is really the best part of the house, I'd say. And it is also the main reason we got this house. We decided to rent this place. It's so much space. This is the rooftop from the neighbors, but I could basically bring my hoop here, do a workout, do yoga if I wanted to. We have a table, 2 chairs for when we want to come up and have our coffee, have dinner, lunch, whatever. Just chill with friends. And this was the house tour. As you can see, it's a pretty cute house. I think it's a pretty cute house. It really feels like a home. Let me know what your favorite part of the house is. If it's also the rooftop, maybe the garden, or maybe the kitchen. Let me know. This video's secret word is local living. You probably know why. I want to thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos about my daily life here in China. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye!